Γεια σας. Hello everyone. Καλησπέρα. Θα μιλήσω στα αγγλικά, το είχαμε γράψει και στο πρόγραμμα, γιατί δυστυχώς δεν έχουμε τη δυνατότητα μετάφραση. So I'm saying I'll be speaking in English as we said in the program because we can translate. So welcome everyone. I'm really happy to see you all here. I see some faces from last time, some new faces. And I'd like to say first of all a big thank you to Romanzo for hosting us again. We did our first event over here and we're back. And this is great. Thank you, Vasilis. So today's program is a bit different from the other times. So that is
it possible that you can sit
doing a bridge event to move the cultural entrepreneurship talks from Greece to Croatia. And we're going to take you through a little trip from Croatia to Greece, then back to Croatia and so on. And we'll explain how we came to think about this transition, why we're doing it. And also we have two speakers at the end who are going to present to you how their local ecosystem can create opportunities for international cooperation. And for us this is very important. So today's program is in four parts. So in the first part, we have the honor to have with us today Ambassador Starcevic from the Embassy of the Republic of Croatia to Greece. And he'll be speaking first and tell us a little bit about what the embassy is doing in Greece and so on. Then the second part, myself and Jessica Rachel will speak about the events from Athens, Corfu to Croatia. Then we have a bonus participation, and Michalis Stagos is going to speak to us about the Creative Business Cup, which is happening this weekend. And finally, we have two speakers who are going to talk about cultural and creative collaborative spaces.